Hello, in this video we'll be going over the OUSPG's LLM Hackathon docs and see how DependencyCheck tool can be used to scan project dependencies for any known vulnerabilities. Let's jump right into it. Alright, now let's move on to the DependencyCheck tool. If you aren't already attached to the container shell, do so. Let's do so. Include sudo. Make sure you're in the correct directory. Type pwd Ubuntu. Yes. We can use this tool to scan any repository utilizing languages that are supported by the project. We can check out, or you can check out the supported languages here. And let's analyze the tool. Let's use the Garak as an example. First, we just use this command to clone the Garak repository. Seems like we do have Garak directory here. It's a Python project and it contains a requirements.txt file, which is a list of required dependencies to run the software. Okay, to save 15 minutes of your time when running the first analysis, you will need a NVD API key, and you can request one here. But since we have the magic of editing at our disposal, I'm gonna skip this part and just use this command. It gives a warning since we haven't provided an NVD key or API key, and it should start downloading these NVD records shortly, which part we will just skip if it starts downloading those records at all. Let's see. Alright, it seems like the download has started, so let's give it a minute. I'll go have another cup of coffee or something while this process is going on. Alright, the NVD records are now downloaded and the DependencyCheck tool already conducted its analysis and wrote a report to /home ubuntu dependencycheck report.html. Alright, we have the report now. Generate HTML file of the analysis. We can copy to our host machine. Alright, let's copy the report to our host machine by typing exit, and by using this command we will copy the generated report file to our current directory. Has successfully copied it, and now we can go explore the file. I have the DependencyCheck report HTML file now copied to my Windows machine. We can explore this in the browser. Here are instructions on how to read the report and all stuff. Let's make it full screen actually. So here we have a summary of the found vulnerabilities, or the dependencies that have known vulnerabilities in them. And if we scroll down, here's an explanation of the found known vulnerability. So special placeholders in the template allow writing code similar to Python syntax. It is possible to inject arbitrary HTML attributes into the rendered HTML template, potentially leading to cross-site scripting. The Jinja XML attr filter can be abused to inject arbitrary HTML attribute keys and values, bypassing the auto escaping mechanism and potentially leading to XSS. It may also be possible to bypass attribute validation checks if they're blacklist based. Right, and here's the list of or a list of explanations for all of the found vulnerabilities. You can go through these and learn what sorts of weaknesses are in the project that you evaluated with dependency check.